Guys, it's not every time that you make all this heavy soup, heavy food for your family. Eba, garit, okra. I mean, it's very nice, it's good, but sometimes do something delicious, something quick that your kids and your husband will enjoy eating, and something special too. Today we are going to make a burger, so please come with me. For this recipe, we are going to use brown bread in a round shape, minced meat in the round shape, some pickles, mozzarella, sliced tomato and sliced onion, some chopped cabbage, cut sweet potatoes, 2 whole eggs, 4 tablespoons of honey, 30 ml of oil, and 20 grams of butter. First, we are going to start with the potatoes because we'll bake it in the oven. So put your potatoes in an oven plate, a plate that can go to the oven. You add salt and you add some of the oil and you mix it very well. That's one of the healthiest way to cook your potatoes, so you can have less fats and more of the iron that is in the potatoes. We are going to cook all our recipe on low heat, so you on your gas on low heat. I choose a frying pan that is made for grill because we are going to grill the meat, not fry it. And you use a brush to spray all the oil on the frying pan. Don't forget any area, especially where the meat is going to be, so it's not going to be sticky on the frying pan. Also, make sure that you separate the meat so you'll be able to cook the meat fully. Once the meat is cooking on one side, quickly remove it. Don't allow it to dry off or to cook fully, because if not, it's going to remove all the juice that you have in your meat. You slice the butter into 3 pieces. You add 2 of the pieces on the 2 meat that you're frying. The remaining pieces of butter is going to be useful for later. And then you add the mozzarella on it. A few seconds after adding your mozzarella, your cheese on the meat, kindly remove it so it can be done with the heat of the meat. Right after, add your rings chopped onion with the remaining butter and stir it for the butter to touch every single side of the onions. Then you add the honey to give it a caramelized taste. You just did for yourself a sweet barbecue sauce ring onion. Still, to avoid the fats, I'm using some spray oil to control the quantity of oil I'm putting in this recipe. You have to break your egg directly on the frying pan, but be careful not to break the yolk. Having the full yolk helps with the taste too. Cover your egg and allow it to cook while you are cutting your bread. Slice your bread into 2, separate them, and put them in your toaster so you can have toasted bread. While it's toasting, we are going to make the salad. On our chopped cabbage, we are going to add the pickles. I used 3 pickles for it. We add the mayonnaise, we mix it. Then you add the ketchup, but make sure that the ketchup you're adding is 3 times lesser than the mayonnaise you add. The reason why I'm adding the ketchup is for it to add a sweet taste, because the pickles is already soured because of the vinegar. Now we are coming for the dressing. On each side, please add your burger cream or mayonnaise and ketchup together. And don't forget, don't add more ketchup than the mayonnaise. Then you add your meat with your cheese, following by the caramelized sweet onion. Then the egg that we cut into 2 for the 2 burgers, the pickles and the salad, the tomatoes, and the last bread. Because it's full and you don't want your vegetables to go right or left, use a toothpick to hold everything together until you eat them. Our potatoes is nicely baked and delicious, ready to be served. Serve your potatoes by the side of your burger, and it's ready to be eaten. This recipe doesn't require a lot of ingredients and it takes no time to make. Guys, if you do it for your family, you come and thank me in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But before, let's test this delicious burger together. Have a look again. Look at it, my sister. And it's so big. I don't think that my mouth is that big. So let me take a bite as a cutie baby.
Can you see the way it's dripping? It's delicious, guys.